Did you ever find it a struggle to get out in the morning and get on the bike or go for a run, and you find yourself really lacking motivation and searching for your mojo? Well, if you do, keep watching and hopefully you'll pick up some tips on how to get that motivation to ride or train or run back. Lack of motivation could be for many reasons. It could just be boredom, always cycling the same routes or doing the same thing. It could be lack of progress and you're not really seeing your fitness progress, and that's getting you down a bit. It could be burnout and you're just, you've done a bit too much, your body's tired, and it's one where it's telling you that you need to back off a bit. Or it could be you're just tired from external factors like work or family or anything that's going to naturally make you a bit stressed and a bit tired. That can reduce your motivation. Don't forget, it's perfectly normal to lack motivation sometimes. We don't always have a linear progression and a linear enthusiasm for doing workouts and training. Sometimes we have to go with the flow, and if we're not feeling it, just give it a bit of a break and things can seem a lot better afterwards. But one thing you do want to do if you're lacking motivation is try to find the root cause of it. What is causing your lack of motivation? Is it one of those things I've just mentioned? And then once you've identified that, that'll help you on the road to finding it again. So if you think it is burnout, one of the good things to do is just take a break, have a rest, don't go cycling, maybe try something else, go for a walk, go for a run, go for a swim, do something a bit different. Maybe you need a bit more rest, so you should be resting and recovering. And make sure you're getting enough sleep. That can be a big factor in lack of motivation if you're just tired. So make sure you get enough sleep, recover, do something different. If it's boredom, you could try a different route, go a different route, even reverse of what you normally do is interesting. Plan out a route on Komoot or with Strava, plan out a different route, try that. If you normally just ride, try to do some intervals or try to plan out a fitness program or set a goal to help you find that motivation. If you think it's a lack of progression and you can't see much progress in what you're doing, it's vital to make sure you track it so you can really see the figures, see the data. Set yourself small goals. Maybe set yourself bigger targets that you know you're working for that will give you that extra motivation to achieve those. And often doing it with someone else is going to motivate you even more. If you've got someone else who you can be accountable to, that will always be a bit of a motivation to make sure you get out and ride. And of course, riding with other people can be enjoyable too. If your motivation or lack of it is due to external factors, maybe you should focus on those. Focus on those first, see if you can reduce those in some way. If it's work, maybe it's a work related stress that will get better over time. Or family, maybe you should work through those issues first. And once you've got through those events or issues, maybe you can then focus again on getting out and riding. So hopefully you found those tips interesting and useful. And you might be able to put those into practice on one of those days when you're just lacking motivation. If you think it might be mental health that's causing you issues at the moment, check out this video down here that might be able to give you some tips on how cycling can help. I'll see you next time.